Hello there, and welcome to the lecture 5 of medical biophysics course. We will start with the electricity within the body. The outlines will talk about the objective, introduction, nervous system, electrical potential of the neuron, action potential, electromyogram, electroencephalogram, and electrocardiogram. By the end of this lecture, hopefully we'll understand the part of nervous system and you'll understand the electrical signal transmission, and we will define the EMG, which is electromyogram, EEG, electroencephalogram, and ECG, electrocardiogram. As usual, we divide the lecture into 4 parts. The first part will be talk about the nervous system. The second one will talk about the structure of the neuron. The third one will be action potential, and the last one will be applications. Start with the introduction. Electricity, which play an important role in medicine, and we have 2 aspects of the electricity. We have electrical effect generated inside the body. So how the electrical signal can be generated inside our body, and how can we make the signal moving through the body, and the application of electricity to the surface of the body. How can we measuring this electrical signal by using the devices? So our lecture today will be divided into 2 parts, let's say. The first part will be to understand how the electrical signal will be generated inside the body, and the second one, how can we measuring this signal? Essentially, all the functions and activity that you did it in terms of the control of the brain is coming from electricity, and nerve cell signal is just moving forward from the brain to the all the system, and from the system to the brain. So it will be flow of the electrical signal. To measuring these electrical signal, we have 3 devices. You have electromyogram, EMG, which is measuring the electrical signal coming from the muscle, and we have electrocardiogram, ECG, which is measuring the electrical signal of the heart, and we have electroencephalogram, EEG, which is measuring the electrical signal coming from the brain. Okay, and we have another one, we name it electroretinogram here, electroretinogram of the eye, but we will not mention it in the lecture. We will focus on these 3 devices. First of all, you know that the nervous system divided into 2 parts: the central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system. And the central nervous system, it just have brain and the spinal cord. Okay, have brain and the spinal cord, while the peripheral nervous system, it just contain all the let's say all the all the actions of the internal organs and the glands. So it's mean all the information coming from the brain or spinal cord to the organs is happened by the peripheral nervous system. And in the central nervous system, so we have the central nervous system, the brain and the spinal cord is control everything that it just happen in terms of the sending the information to our body. How can we send this? We will send the information via the peripheral nervous system. So peripheral nervous system is all the let's say all the neurons and this stuff that is connected the organs with the brain and spinal cord. It just we name it peripheral nervous system. And this is the 2 types that we have it in terms of the nervous system. This is the end of part 1. Thank you very much.